So, hi dear Aquarius, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general you versus them current energy check-in for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for today only. It's just current energy check-in. Whenever you are going to watch this video, whenever this is going to be valid for you, I guess, because this is timeless. Okay, so there's no time limit to this, honey, and that the rules can be reversed also. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you. So let's go your side, their side, where this connection is going, and the guidance. Good to go? Chalo. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Master Class 2, links are given below. So let's start. Aquarius. Let's see on your side what we have. ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਜ਼ਿੱਦ ਦਿਲ ਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਵੇਖਦਾ ਕਿਦਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਦੀ ਹੁਣ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਪਰ ਤੇਰੇ ਜਗ ਤੇ ਪਰ ਤੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਿਗਾਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੇਰੀ ਹਟਦੀ We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Ten of Wands, and the Knight of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Swords. Right now, you are in this energy of I want love, I don't want love. I want love, I want money. I don't want love, I want money. I don't want money, I want love. What is happening, Aquarius? You guys are just trying to run away as far as you can from the word that is love. You're like, nah, I'm good. Why? I know. Then there's this desire of having a brand new beginning, of having a start or restart, maybe with a specific person or specific kind of person. And then this is weighing you down like crazy. This is making you feel like you're not able to get what you want, but your heart is full of love. Your energies are open. Your energies are screaming at you, go do it, you moron. And you're like, no, I'm good. Then after some time, you're like, I want love, I want money, I want both, I want love, I want money, I don't need anything, just money. Then bring love also. And then you are running away to the hills, running for the hills, like, nah. This is exactly what you're going through right now. Trust me, when I'm acting, I'm just trying to let you guys know your feelings through my acting. If you don't know, I used to be an actor, theater actor also, so I can act very well. Okay, done. So when it comes to this real shit, you're like running for the hills, but at the same time, you feel like having somebody by your side with whom you can have a start or restart with, and you can start your love story again. Now, it can be a specific person, it can be a specific kind of person, but you guys are scared as hell. Then you are trying your best to shift your focus on money. Then you're like, no, love is also important. Then like money and love, and then love is important. Then okay, you got my point. We are done here. Let's see what are your like the energy attached to you, what they are up to. We have the Nine of Pentacles and the Five of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Magician. So this is somebody who is manifesting this energy of singlehood, freedom. They are manifesting this energy of coming out of this conflict, chaos, and this drama that keeps on happening between you guys from time to time. They are like, okay, let me claim my independence, let me claim my freedom, and let me shift my focus on something that's very, very, very important for my life. That's me. Okay. You might be dealing with the Taurus, by the way. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. And especially if it is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, they have this tendency to shift more towards materialistic things rather than love when they are not getting what they want. Not for everyone, not every earth sign, but most of them, including me. If I'm not getting what I want from a situation, romantic or otherwise, I just shift my focus to something or someone that's more important for me. So I do that. I don't know about others. So this is somebody who feels like they should manifest this energy of a breakthrough from this situation. I don't know even if you guys are talking to each other or not. I think you guys are not even seeing each other eye to eye. So ignore the shore, huh? Ignore the noises. I am used to it now. I am blended with this noise now. I'm happy. You guys ignore it. So this is somebody who wants to work on this energy of claiming their independence, their freedom, coming out of this unhealthy, this toxic, this conflicting, chaotic situation. And you're like, Yeah, I'm also letting them go. Goodbye. Yeah, sure. Let's see for the connection what we have, Aquarius. Before proceeding further, let me invite you guys for my 10 days Osho Meditation Festival that's happening from 5th till the 14th of July 2026. We are going to have a lot of fun because these meditations are totally different from the usual meditations that we do in our day to day life. So, if you want to start or restart your healing or spiritual journey, or you want to enter into Osho's world, this is a fantastic opportunity. We are going to work on our inner child. We are going to release a lot of trauma and pain while doing these meditations. That's going to happen naturally. And I'm going to teach you five Vigyan Bhairav Tantra meditation techniques also. That you guys can use in your day-to-day life for self-realization and peace also. And I'm going to take them from Osho's Book of Secrets that's based on Vigyan Bhairav Tantra only. And I'm going to teach you one or two breathing exercises also that you guys can use in your day-to-day life for nervous system regulation and coming back to yourself when you're anxious or stressed out. So this is going to be a power-packed 10 days of workshop. What are you waiting for? Just grab your seat right now. I'm going to do it for the rest of my life. Even if one or two people are going to show up, we are good to go because this is my thing now. I found my purpose. I found my happiness. So you guys can start your spiritual journey, healing journey with me, and we can go for a very long period of time together. And let's see what can happen. Right? You never know. A miracle happens every day. The fees is 5100 for Indians, and for others it's 300 USD. The instructions are going to be in Hindi and English both, so don't worry about it. For all other instructions and everything, you guys can check out the description box. The link is there. Click on the link, read everything before applying, before the fees is non-refundable. So just go grab your seat. Don't wait for the last moment. I am very excited to see you guys there. Very excited to share my energies with you guys. And if you want to check the reviews of the previous batch, first batch, this is the second batch, you guys can check out in the community. The review post is there, or you can check out my Instagram. That's at the rate Prem Singh Yogita. The reviews are there also. Okay, then you can think about it if you want to. But it was 7 days workshop and no Vigyan Bhairav Tantra or no breathing exercises were involved. So this is going to be totally different from what it was in the, not totally different from, but yes, different. Let's see where the connection is going. For the connection what we have, honey. We have the Three of Pentacles, the Moon card, the Devil. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Pentacles. This situation is actually heading towards a third party interference, whether the third party is already here or not. One of you is going to connect with somebody else and they are going to hide it, or at least they are going to try to hide it or make it look like they are not. And the other person is going to be super focused on money, job, career, finances, or something else. So this situation is heading towards if you guys are going to stick around with each other more than what is required. This situation has run its course, Aquarius. At least for the time being, this situation is not going anywhere. Choose your stability over this situation. Choose practicality, reality, and the things that are important apart from this situation. This situation is heading towards toxicity, negativity, unhealthy kind of energies, secretive, mysterious kind of energies. For some of it could be possible that even if one of you is going to be with somebody else, they are going to stay in this bond also, and that is going to make it very difficult to deal with. Just get out of your Aquarius. This is not a good thing. This is not worth it. I don't think so. It's going to be a shit show sooner or later. So better to leave right now, especially if you have the proper clarity and understanding that this situation is not worth it. Especially if you have that, just leave it behind. Not worth it. Let's see the guidance for you guys here. I have the Empress, the King of Pentacles, the Strength. Bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. Your heart is full of love. You have a lot of love to give. We understand that. I understand that. You understand that. But not everybody deserves your love, Aquarius. That is the most important factor to remember, right? If you are ready to have growth and expansion and a lot of love, if you are ready to give all of your love and everything to somebody, and with whom you can, create a really beautiful world together, make sure that person, that energy is worth it. If you are going to give your love to, give your energies, share your energies with the wrong person, with the wrong energy, all you are going to get is shit in return. So hold back your horses, calm down your horses before you are going to invest in something or someone. next time, like whatever the next time is for you, make sure that person, that energy is worth it. Hmm? Otherwise it's definitely going to be a shit show, and nobody can save you from the disaster it's going to make in your life. You already have learned your lessons so many times. Why not to integrate these lessons now in your life? It's about the collective, it's not about one person, one energy. And for those of you who find my readings negative and I disappoint them, please get out of here. I'm not here to stroke anybody's asses or egos. I'm not. I don't stroke my own ego. So how can I do it for you? Anyways, honey. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.